Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to all Pakistani brothers and sisters. Today is 14th August. I don't want to ask you to celebrate. Today, I want to ask you to remember. Remember the tears. Remember the blood. Remember the separation. Remember the mothers who lost their sons. Remember the fathers who buried their dreams. Remember the children who become orphans. Remember the millions who left their homes carrying nothing but the hope of a free land. Dear brothers and sisters, was this freedom meant for this? This is the question from my zealous generation. Was Pakistan created for disrespect? Disrespect of the law? Disrespect of merit? Disrespect of humanity? Disrespect of one another? Was Pakistan created for suppression? Suppression of the weak? Suppression of the poor? Suppression of truth? Suppression of every voice that dares to speak? How long? For how long, my dear people? How long we will tolerate injustice? How long we will remain silent? How long we will keep blaming others while refusing to look into our own hearts? We are divided. Unfortunately, the bitter reality is that yes, we are divided. Divided by class, divided by language, divided by status, divided by politics, divided by hatred. And yet we proudly say, Pakistan Zindabad. Yes, my Pakistan is Zindabad for all times. My Pakistanis are very daring, but they should know Pakistan will not survive merely through slogans. Pakistan will survive when truth becomes stronger than life. Pakistan will survive when merit becomes stronger than connection. Pakistan will survive when justice becomes stronger than influence. Pakistan will survive when honesty becomes stronger than corruption. Pakistan will survive when unity becomes stronger than hatred. Don't ask only what has Pakistan given to us. Rather, we should dare to ourselves that what we have given to Pakistan. If you are a teacher, teach with honesty. If you are a student, study with purpose. If you are a parent, raise children with character. If you are an officer, serve with justice. If you are a leader, lead with sincerity. If you are a citizen, respect the law and respect your fellow citizen. Dear brothers and sisters, the sacrifices of Pakistan independence 1947 are crying out to us. They're asking us, was our blood shed for this? Were our homes abandoned for this? Were our families separated for this? Were our lives were for this? Were our dreams sacrificed for this? No, not at all. Let us not become the generation that inherited Pakistan but failed Pakistan. Let us become the generation that heals Pakistan, the generation that respects Pakistan, the generation that owns Pakistan, the generation that rebuilds Pakistan. Our situation may be bitter, no doubt in it, but our story is not over. We are still alive. Our children are still dreaming. Our youth is still have strength and zeal. Our hearts still have faith. So rise, my dear brothers and sisters, not with hatred, not with revenge, not with empty slogans. Rise with character, rise with truth, rise with unity, rise with responsibility, rise with loyalty. Because Pakistan does not need another promise from our lips. Pakistan needs a change in our lives. And in this way, we can say perhaps that is the greatest Independence Day we can give to those who sacrifice everything for our country. We are looking forward to our generation, youth. May Allah Almighty guide us to the right path and guide us to do our best for our countries. Long live Pakistan. Pakistan Zindabad. And I must say Pakistan Paindabad.